Want to highlight some posts on your Facebook profile? Let's learn how to pin posts using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to pin Facebook posts on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, scroll through your posts to find the one that you want to pin. When you have found the post, look for the three dots icon right beside your name. Tap on it to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, tap on the Pin Post option. This will pin the selected post to the top of your profile, making it the first thing visitors see. And this is how you can pin Facebook posts on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.